Well, I'm away on holidays at the moment, and someone's got this lawnmower for me. Supposedly runs, and hopefully it can get the whole thing back. It's got a boot of luggage. I might be able to squeeze this in though. Take the handlebars off. So yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching. When I get back to Melbourne, I'll do a video if I've got the whole thing. Let's check the filter. Oh damn, that's nasty. Original Victa filter. That's bad. Now when I get it home, I'll give it a good clean. It's got spark, tested it before. Should be a good mower. Well, managed to get the mower back. There it is. It was all full of muck. It was disgusting. So I was just going to give it a quick degrease and see how it comes up, and I'll start working on it. But I've got to get some of these computers moving and finished. And then also got this today. I think it's pronounced where does it say? Oscilloscope. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll do a video turning that on in a minute. Alright, let's go ahead and plug this in. Yeah, too many dials on this thing. It's got a little warm-up cycle to go down and across, and I'm going to have to get some of the leads to screw on a little pin type connector. Okay. See if I can get anything on. Variable time. I don't understand much of this. I'm going to have to read up on the internet. We'll see what comes up. There's a reset button there. Yep. Yeah, very expensive units, that's for sure. And you can turn that backlight off. back on. Off. Yeah, I'll read up a bit on them first, and yeah, big heavy buggers, that's for sure. Weigh a ton. It's made by Jacoby and Mitchell Co. Kent Street, Sydney. So oops, what did I turn? Wrong one. So yeah, interesting stuff. I'll read up on it. Lots of capacitors. Lots of them. Yeah. Oscilloscope. Type D43. Much else. Made in England. That's about it. So yeah. Also got the mower apart. Well, just the plastics anyway. And this is it after cleaning it a bit. Better than before. Still got to get it in Intel here and clean them. Tank was shocking. So finish that off tomorrow. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching.